Have you ever chased something, someone, a job, a dream, only to be shut out with a deafening no? It stings. Rejection cuts deep. But what if I told you that rejection isn't the end of your story? It's the spark that begins a new one. Today, we're exploring the Stoic way of transforming rejection, not into bitterness, but into breakthrough. Because sometimes life says no to push you towards a far greater yes. This isn't about ignoring pain. It's about using it. Let's dive into 13 timeless Stoic lessons that turn rejection into your greatest advantage. Before we begin, if you're drawn to ancient wisdom that still speaks truth today, hit that like button and subscribe for more philosophical insight. Now, let's begin the shift from wounded to wise. Lesson number 1. Accept without resistance. When someone dismisses you, your instinct might be to resist, to protest, to explain, to chase. But Stoicism teaches us to accept reality as it is, not as we wish it to be. Rejection is part of life. It's not a punishment. It's information. Acceptance doesn't mean approval. It means clarity. You stop trying to swim against the current and start using it to navigate forward. Lesson number 2. Master the pause. You don't have to respond right away. In fact, the greatest strength in the face of rejection is silence, not out of spite, but of self-control. Take a moment, breathe, observe your emotions without judgment. This space between stimulus and response, that's where power lives. Lesson number 3, reclaim your focus. Rejection tempts us to fixate on the other person. What did they think? Why didn't they choose me? Redirect that energy. Focus not on what you lost, but on what you can gain from this moment. Where is your attention best spent? Your growth, your craft, your inner stability. Lesson number 4. Choose dignity over drama. You don't need to prove your worth through outbursts or over-explanations. Your response is your message. Let your calm be louder than their silence. Your dignity isn't for sale. It's your compass. Lesson number 5. Create, don't chase. Rejection often pulls us into pursuit mode, chasing validation. But what if you shifted your mindset from, why didn't they want me, to, what can I build now? Channel that restless energy into something new, a project, a passion, a purpose. Let your response to rejection be creation. Lesson number 6. Detach from outcome. You are only responsible for your actions, not their results. Whether you're accepted or not, that's not your domain. Do your best. Speak your truth. Then let go. Freedom begins where control ends. Lesson number 7. Stay rooted in who you are. It's easy to question your worth after rejection, but identity built on approval is fragile. Return to your roots. What do you value? What do you stand for? What makes you, you? Rejection doesn't define you. It reveals who you are when the mask of validation falls away. Lesson number 8. Find the lesson, not the blame. Don't spiral into blame. Instead, get curious. Was this truly aligned with your values? Were there signs you ignored? Rejection can be a mirror, showing us what needs to grow, shift, or be released. Reflection, not resentment, is the way forward. Lesson number 9. Reinvent the narrative. Maybe it's not, I wasn't good enough. Maybe it's, this wasn't the right fit. Language matters. Tell yourself stories that empower you, not ones that imprison you. Lesson number 10. Strengthen your inner fortress. Life is unpredictable. Rejection will come again. So build resilience, not by avoiding pain, but by preparing for it. Daily practices like journaling, meditation, and solitude build the muscles you need to stand strong. Your inner world should be your safest shelter, not your battlefield. Lesson number 11. Uplift yourself through action. Self-pity is tempting, but progress feels better. Get moving. Clean your space, go for a walk, start something new. Small actions compound, and forward motion, no matter how subtle, disrupts the spiral. Lesson number 12. Live so fully that 1. No can't shake you when your life is abundant. With purpose, connection, curiosity, rejection becomes small. Not insignificant, but not earth-shattering either. A fulfilling life cushions every fall, so build that life, not to avoid pain, but to grow around it. Lesson number 13. Trust that redirection is grace in disguise. Rejection isn't always punishment. Sometimes it's protection. You might not see it now, but with time you'll look back and realize what didn't happen saved you. The path you're meant to walk won't reject you. Trust that. Conclusion: rejection hurts, but it also reveals, refines, and redirects. The Stoics didn't seek rejection, but they embraced it when it came. Because they knew adversity doesn't define you, your response does. So next time you hear no, pause, then smile. Because you know something most don't. That rejection is just another form of redirection. And your story? It's far from over.